We're at Carowinds. We were here yesterday.
Yeah, we did a full day of
riding pretty much everything.
Getting a lay of the land.
Yeah, but yeah, let's go take a tour around Carowinds and
we'll give you our thoughts.
Yeah, let's check it out.
DROKO Adventures.
All right, we're gonna start off in the South Carolina side, off to the left here. Over there is gonna be the North Carolina side. But yeah, let's go see what's going on over here. First ride off to the left side is Thunder Striker.
Thunder Strike is a good ride. I mean, not my favorite. It's very much like Diamondback at Kings Island. It's a good ride.
Then after Thunder Striker, you're gonna see the VIP lounge as well as Is that Harmony Hall?
That is Harmony Hall. They
right.
have some really, really good cheesy corn.
Yes.
Highly recommend you get that.
Yes, the cheesy corn is actually delicious.
So good.
So here's Ripcord off to the right side. And they're starting to get rid of these things. So this is like one of the last ones, I think. Then you got Kitty Hawk. Look at that thing. Hang and bang. Beer and snacks. That was the Leonardo's place with the stuffed shells.
Oh, that was good. And then they have a
really,
pasta
really
salad.
good.
The pasta salad was different and unique, and it had olives, but it also had like pepperoncinis and like all these different things. But it was so good. Recommend.
Food Blasters has been a hit all day. Big line.
Consistent line.
But it's really, really fun here.
So, because I don't get to ride it anymore at Kings Island, I love that I get to do it at Kings Dominion and Carowinds. And actually the Carowinds, I think, is the best one. It's got the sounds, it's got the vibration, you can shoot multiple times at the target, best.
Oh, here we are in Aeronautica. Everything's all flight themed. This should be fun. We've been waiting to do this ride, but we haven't done it yet. I think you control
Is now the time?
all this. Now might be the, no, I'll wait till there's no line.
I'm not doing it.
I'll wait till there's no line.
I'm not doing it.
No, Scotty
You
and I
should
will
do
do
it.
it. Oh, and here's Gear Spin. This thing is wild looking. So there's all these little signs right here. This one is play. So it's got all of the kind of carnival games here. Oh, and it's running. I mean, it's going slow right now, but. So I was convinced that this thing spun you all the way around, but it just takes you up and takes you down. Maybe they're getting everybody off of the second one. Oh, it's going. Is it going? Is it going?
It has to be going.
No, I think they're unloading. Let's go see what Scotty's doing over here. This is actually the Conjuring. There's a little airplane right there. Let's check this one out. I like to call this one Trabant, but it's Gyroforce. And also in Aeronautica, there's Airwalker, kind of like a pipe stream at Cedar Point, but it doesn't have that air time. It just goes back and forth. Now, Air Racers is a completely different ride than what I'm used to. It's actually really, really, really fun. It starts off a little bit slow, but then it really, I mean, like, you'll be hanging upside down. I can't believe I actually did this. Wow, they're just hanging there. Okay, now we're gonna go up this hill. Got Afterburn coming. Afterburn. And as we're standing here, we run into Theme Park Mark. Check him out on YouTube. He's got a bunch of POVs.
And subscribe to DROKO.
And subscribe to us too.
Please do.
All right, I think we're gonna go and do Copperhead Strike. Here we go. Copperhead Strike. I think Yoko's gonna sit this one out.
Yeah. I get a little nauseous if I ride too many rides, and I think the climate change or something hurt my head, so I'm gonna hold this one off. I've already done it twice.
Take over.
Bye, friends. They're gonna go ride Copperhead Strike.
That's a great ride. Just let the restraint like hold you and just flail around. Scotty's in, what area are we in again?
1959.
1959.
Just kidding. County Fair.
Scotty's gonna go over and do flying cobras.
Flying Cobra!
Carolina Gold Rusher. This is the current weight at the station. What do you think, Scotty?
Well, I mean, I guess I've seen worse, but it could be better.
Yeah. See you on the other side. Got off Carolina Gold Rusher. It's a mine ride.
It's a mine ride. I like this mine ride better than the one at
How
Cedar
long
Point.
did we wait?
About 20 minutes.
About
25
20 minutes, 25 minutes.
A little too
something
long
like
for a
that.
mine ride.
But I smacked 2 trees.
Hey!
This ride right here, Carolina Cyclone, wrecked me yesterday. Totally wrecked me. Like at the bottom of the lift hill, or like right when you go down the lift hill, I bashed my head. Then you go through all these stupid things.
Then you do a head bobble.
Then the head bobber. So I don't know if it's better to like leave your head out or put it against the seat.
For that part, it was better holding it out, but then the head bobber, it just like, it was
Oh my
bad.
gosh.
It was bad.
Yeah, not fun. I had a headache for a little bit.
Me too.
I am kind of bummed because Hurler is closed and has been closed. It was retracked a couple years ago. I love Hurler. And here it is, Fury 325. This is gonna be probably the last ride that we're gonna do here today.
For our entire trip.
For the entire trip, yeah, this will be the last one. It's after 5:30, they close at 6. So yeah, let's go do it.
And that concludes Carowinds. What do you think?
I mean, Fury 325 is probably one of my favorite rides here.
Dare I
Copperhead
say?
Strike. Copperhead
But wait,
Strike is cool
dare
too.
I say
Oh,
it might
geez.
be better than Millennium?
That's
and
your opinion.
that's very controversial
Both-
for me to say. So
Both a little bit different.
yes, they're different in their elements. This
more
has
like
a lot
Orion.
more. It's kind of a mix of both.
Yeah.
The best pieces of both. Well, overall, I think Carowinds was great. I love it. I didn't
yeah.
really have very many bad things to say. It's been great the whole day, the whole weekend. It's
yeah.
great. Highly recommend it. We will be back this summer and more. Maybe we'll see.
I love you.
Bye guys.